Welcome back to Guitars Mojo. Today we are going to open an exciting case for a guitar that I've been looking for the past 4 years. And open here. This is actually a Levin from 1960, and it's a 315 model M2, which is with two original Diamond pickups, as you can see here, and the clouds in the fretboard, and this beautiful head here with the Levin and the metal logo with the 1900 inside also. This guitar is something that I've been really dreaming about. They're extremely hard to find, and in this condition I've been looking for many years, and as you can see, the back here is in flame maple, and the neck is in mahogany, and you see the original tuners there also. These guitars are actually 18-inch and has a great sound. For more information on this guitar, you can just go to my website, guitarsmojo.com, and check out the YouTube and Instagram. And feel free to contact me direct if you have any questions about this guitar. And have a great evening. Till next time, see you.